Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 proven ways to make money online that you can start implementing right away. Method 1: Affiliate Marketing. The first method we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for each sale you make. The first step to getting started with affiliate marketing is choosing a niche. You want to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a lot of potential for growth. Some popular niches include health and fitness, personal finance, and beauty and skincare. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll want to find affiliate products to promote. You can do this by searching for affiliate programs in your niche or by reaching out to companies directly to see if they have an affiliate program. The next step is to create content that promotes the affiliate products you've chosen. This could be blog posts, social media posts, or even videos like this one. Make sure to include your affiliate links in your content so that you earn a commission for each sale made through your link. Method 2: Online Teaching. The second method we're going to talk about is online teaching. With the rise of online learning, there are more opportunities than ever to teach online. The first step to getting started with online teaching is choosing a skill to teach. This could be anything from a language to a musical instrument to a business skill like marketing. Once you've chosen your skill, you'll want to create a course around it. This could be a series of videos, a written course, or even a live course. The final step is to promote your course. You can do this by creating a website for your course, promoting it on social media, or even using paid advertising. Method 3: Freelancing. Freelancing is another great way to make money online. If you have a skill that people are willing to pay for, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Here are the steps to get started. The first step is to identify your skills. What are you good at? What services could you offer as a freelancer? Some popular freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, and social media management. Once you've identified your skills, you'll want to create a portfolio that showcases your work. This could be a website, a social media profile, or a portfolio platform like Behance. The next step is to find clients. You can do this by reaching out to potential clients directly, using freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or even by networking on social media. Method 4: E-commerce. E-commerce is another great way to make money online. With the rise of platforms like Shopify and Etsy, it's easier than ever to start an online store. Here are the steps to get started. The first step is to choose what product you want to sell. This could be anything from handmade crafts to digital products. Once you've chosen your product, you'll want to set up your store. You can do this using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even WordPress. The final step is to promote your store. You can do this using social media, paid advertising, or even influencer marketing. Method 5: Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Here are the steps to get started. The first step is to choose your niche and products. You'll want to find products that are in high demand and have a good profit margin. You can use tools like Google Trends and AliExpress to find popular products. Once you've chosen your products, you'll want to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Amazon to create your store. The next step is to find a supplier. You'll want to find a supplier who can fulfill your orders and ship them directly to your customers. You can use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to find a supplier. Method 6: Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a great way to make money online if you have administrative or organizational skills. Here are the steps to get started. The first step is to identify your skills. Virtual assistants typically provide services like data entry, customer support, social media management, and email management. Once you've identified your skills, you'll want to build your online presence. This could be a website, a social media profile, or a platform like Upwork or Freelancer. The next step is to find clients. You can do this by reaching out to potential clients directly, using virtual assistant platforms like Zirtual or Belay Solutions, or even by networking on social media. Method 7: Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple way to make money online. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Here are the steps to get started. The first step is to sign up for survey websites. There are many legitimate survey websites out there, including Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Once you've signed up for survey websites, you can start completing surveys. Most surveys take between 5 and 30 minutes to complete, and pay between $1 and $5. The final step is to cash out your earnings. Most survey websites pay in cash or gift cards, and have a minimum payout threshold. So those are 7 proven ways to make money online. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, online teaching, freelancing, e-commerce, dropshipping, virtual assistants, or online surveys, the key is to take action and get started. With hard work and dedication, you can make a great income online. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.